Ma'am sir, naghahanap ka ba ng lote ma'am sir here in New Valley po at Eki Realty ma'am sir? We have available 342 square meter lot only at Hillcrest Estates, New Valley. So this is the orientation ma'am sir. From this tree na ito hanggang dito sa puno na ito. So as you can see ma'am sir, this lot only you have a very wide main entrance, and at the same time, maganda sa lot only na ito ma'am sir is you have near amenities area and even main entrance po. And this property ma'am sir is along main road, so you have the very wide road po in front po ng property ninyo. So this is the lot ma'am sir, clean title. So if you are interested po sa lot only na ito ma'am sir, message nyo po kami sa number na ito. This property ma'am sir can offer cash or even bank financing. At Eki Realty ma'am sir, we are here ma'am sir even to process sa bank financing po. Tutulungan namin kayo. So if you're interested po ma'am sir, let's do a conversation. Let's actual view this lot only po. Message nyo po kami sa number nito, 24/7 po sasagutin namin yan. So once again, this is Philip K. Gige. Thank you so much po.